The reason that the squirrels can't get on this particular bird feeder here is because the thing here bounces up and down, and the moment they climb up and get on it, the fact that it moves scares them away. So if you want to have a pole or something like this to keep the birds, the squirrels, off or out of the bird feeders, they can tear up the best bird feeders so fast. So you want to have a nice little pole like that. This one here has a different kind of pole. I hate to even touch that. But the squirrels climb up here, they don't know how to get past that. And this thing here, it is freely moving. So even if they did get brave enough to put their feet here, to climb up over it, the fact that it moves scares them away. But yeah, just looking up like that seems Okay, if you thought that was a good video, can you please subscribe and like this video? I would really appreciate it. It helps me out. And thank you very much for watching, and I will talk to you next time. Thanks.